Ka Meghalaya Progressive Special Educator Union ringkat ka Jingatre lang bat ka Directorate of School Education and Literacy bat ka Samagra Shiksha se Meghalaya mentakas ki ka khat atrik unai tung arhajar arpusaw kalapin lang da ka Jingsam Khusnam shakin nyaw pulangut ki khenna kanthai bat shenrang na kaleng ka jilla kinthup na Hsslc Kiba Duna Dkhot hakamet bat Kiba Duna ka Jingyo Jingkot kibala Pyndep ya ka Hsslc bat ka Hsslc bat hakiwei ki Jingpule ya ka Jingsam Khusnam la penlong hapo ka office jong ka Directorate of Educational Research and Training Malki Shillong ha ka bau menteri ka sarkar jilla ba polling do uba bai de katana social welfare ka jilla la long ko mukongsan ba ikong ai sa tun ko misimbut kongsan ibade deputy director ka Directorate of School Education and Literacy Hashwaban Sami ki Khusnam shaki khanna samla ki ba pas pha la yo jingkran no ba polling do bat na kiwei haba ai jingkran na kalyang ba polling do ula pin pau ya ka jingsngo men banya don benta lang ha ka ne ka sngi bakar pang ka badai ka sngi ban pin ko burom kar pang ki samla ki baduna ha ki Dkhot men ki bala Pyndep ki kerdan pule ba pher
Regina Karunoy, Regina Karunoy Higher Secondary, please stand. Tentunya Karbani, tentunya Karbani.
Come here to celebrate this remarkable achievement of our dear students with special educational needs who have not only faced the challenges but have also been able to overcome all these challenges and have come out triumphant in their board examinations. This is indeed a testament to their unwavering determination, their hard work, and the support that they have received from their teachers, from the parents, friends, and society. Dear students, your success is an inspiration to every one of us. You have shown that you can shine in spite of the obstacles that you have to encounter in life. I would like to make a special mention of Shri Shamskem Karsawyan, who has just expressed the challenges that he had to encounter, but in spite of that, he has overcome and he is the man he is today. I am so proud of you, Shamskem Karsawyan. May God continue to bless you as you proceed your steps from now onwards in the days and in the years to come. And may Shamskem Karsawyan be an example to each and every one of you who are yet to traverse this journey of life. Now, the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan is an integrated scheme for school education which was launched long back in 2001, 2002 in partnership with the state government and local self-governments. And this scheme is a comprehensive and integrated flagship program of the Government of India to attain universal elementary education covering the entire country in a mission mode. Now, Hsslc has also initiated the program of educating children with educational needs. Under the intervention of the Ministry of Education, it has made special provision to provide assistance to students with educational needs enrolled in government and government-aided
It is with
schools.
deep and profound pleasure that I stand to associate myself with today's occasion and especially to acknowledge the services rendered by the LPSEU and to make today's felicitation program a grand success. I believe the Jingpule Duna Association of the Star Well Kajana Malayo Panya Slot Habur Putsi Kiba Nilai Pyndep Panya Slot exchange ya Jingpule Kajuni Wapanong Jela Juni, Jela Melia, Kelajam, Syakman, Awedi Bun, Wepaki, Jela, ada Jingdei, Keji Persyan, Keji Nerap, ya Kipa dan Kiba Duna Dkhot, Bupati Dian Bentan, Keji Persyan, Kebani Ai, ke Department of Social Welfare, ke Department of Health, the Department of Education, kini Department of Law. Pergi kebun, kecil jom ke Ioh Khusnam, jom ke Jela Juni, Jela Persyan, dan I, yang Bapak bahwa Tuhan Kejiong bahwa kemudian the biggest room in this world is the room for improvement, self-improvement. Kini Jela Persyan, dan Pyndep yang kata kamera bagi jimbangkan bagi challenge dalam kebun gelap berhenti dan Pyndep dalam Kiba Duna. Jadi, so kementerian itu pencuti hari bahagia kebani kom ke Department of Tourism yang lebih khidmat dan bersyukur ya sama di Kumbagi Ibne Samla Miran Nilai Yaki Mentaka Space bagi New York bagi Shimata program itu di Meghalaya Grassroots Music Production MGMP Pak Kibabun Kikenuhun New York Menta dan Yo Egaresan Kijam Ikut Kedua Misal I Ibasap Pun Kejoki Bak Kunjuk Bila Stanglu Kan I Ya Kini Musical Instruments Ya Ba Honorable Chief Minister Dan Depan Lihat Kata Dan Apio Asyaratul University Di challenge Dalam Kibabun Andai Ni na kalian jom sorta ni sepupu bagi itu yang dijinkan ba min ai ke Persyan kat kapabila ya keba kiwi dijela ba hari kan sedai bang ini dan semjinya ba ai ke Persyan ba kumuni dalam ai kalau berangkam bagi Buat kami, ya kawai, ya kentir, bah kita long, bah pedeng, jom Kiba Duna Dkhot, long harian Kiba long Ioh Snow, long Perhat, long Perhat, Andai kalau kentir tu orang bagi Maji, the sailors, the best sailors in the world, have always come from the stormiest of seas. Maji betul-betul pakai kedai kibawan nagi beliau berjurdo di area.